Well, I finally did it. I finally compiled hours and hours and hours of a year's worth of flying these quads you see behind me into one sub 15-minute video. It was not easy, and I know 15 minutes is still pretty long, so you don't have to watch the whole thing, but I made basically a compilation of me learning how to fly my quadcopter, and a year later I'm finally flying over trees and things like that. So I'm definitely improving, still got a long ways to go, but it's been super fun. So I thought I would share that with you. You might like to see it, but mainly it's just kind of for my own personal remembering of when I could barely fly. And what you're gonna see is this guy. Well, actually, what started it all off was this little Hubsan X4. Still have this little guy. Of course, that was just line of sight. Then we've got the Wizard X220. I've done some modifications to this one, as you can see, especially check out that lens. But this has been my main player. Then I built this guy. Whoa! Haven't actually flown it a ton, but it was a great fun build, and it went great. So this guy, I call this the AT Cruiser. And then, last but not least, the latest one that you'll see me flying around is this little guy, the Eachine Wizard X220, which Eachine actually sent me, so that's pretty cool. And this guy's really fun for the backyard because you can just go in small spaces and really move around, and it flies. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's get to the video. Maybe you'll enjoy it. See you later. Boom. Okay, so here we have the Hubsan X4.
This is exciting. This is a big deal. I've dreamt of this moment for so long. Props. It's just like how it looks in the videos. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these ESCs are really tiny. It's kind of heavier than I thought it would be. It's actually fairly heavy. But I broke a prop. That's the first prop that I've actually... But other than that, it seems like stuff is... Hello. Well, I think that went pretty well. I'm definitely starting to get it. T5040V. 6-inch props on here, so we have actually 2 6-inch props, and these ones are. And okay, it looks really crazy on camera, which I think is good because that way the auto stabilization exactly set up. So. Nerve-wracking, but that's good because it teaches you stuff. Oh yeah, instead of like it still works, the camera was still working. And actually, this is my setup here. Love flying this thing around so much. So this is like the quad that I should have started with. It's so beautiful.